Is snoring ruining your life? Snoring can severely impact your relationship. Millions suffer from sleep deprivation because their snoring partner doesn't let them sleep. Besides the physical and mental exhaustion it creates, it also results in anger, frustration, health problems, lack of intimacy, and even resentment. But there are things you can do to help. Let's start with your weight. Did you know excess weight might be the reason you snore? Yes. Fat doesn't only build up around your waist, but also around your neck and throat area, and that can lead to snoring. So losing weight might be the answer. Now, do you drink alcohol or smoke? You may be surprised to learn these habits can lead to snoring. Alcohol relaxes your throat muscles, which causes snoring, while tobacco can make you snore louder. If you do these things, then it may be time to consider healthier habits. Lastly, try cleaning up or vacuuming your sleep area. The dust and air quality in your room can provoke allergies. Your allergies then cause you to have a stuffy nose. And as you might have guessed, you wind up snoring. Now, if you've tried all this and are still snoring, then it's time you try something more aggressive, like an anti-snoring product. And that's where we come in. Find reviews of the best anti-snoring products by visiting our website at www.how-to-stop-snoring.org for more information. Let's give your health and relationship a chance. Visit us today.